Detail world, what it do. We out here early in the morning finna get it cracking. We only got about 2 to 3 stops. It's a beautiful day today. Today it's gonna be like 50 degrees. Tomorrow supposed to be like 60 something. So it's Monday. Finna get this week started. You know, been beautiful. Can't really complain. Been working hard. Weather started to change up. Seemed like spring coming a little bit earlier than what I expected. Yeah, man, definitely can't wait to this spring. Besides just out here working all the time, this summer's gonna be a lot of different other things coming to the vlog. You know, we're gonna be doing a lot of traveling. Definitely gonna be out with the drone a lot more. Definitely want to get like a lot more shots of cities and things like that. So that's gonna be coming to the channel, like aerial shots of cities and neighborhoods. But other than that, man, like I said, I appreciate y'all, man. Your Way Mobile, you know what I mean? Your Way Car Care. You know, we out here doing what we gotta do best for you in the vlog. But y'all stay blessed up, man. We catch y'all later. Peace. Good morning, Detail World. Good afternoon. We out here in Nashville. We actually doing this Range Rover SVR Sport. It's a beautiful car. This thing got 190 on the dash. I mean, this thing is a beast. But it's a beautiful car. I'm about to go ahead and start on this exterior. I already cleaned the interior of the car. The interior of the car is already clean. Like I say, since I'm working solo, I tend to try to get things done as quick as possible. So, like I say, the interiors of the car is clean. Carpet's thoroughly clean. Your dashboard, your cup holder, all your panels and things are wiped down correctly. Seats, vacuum, just the whole 9 yards. So, like I said, we about to go ahead and get this cracking. You know, it's a beautiful day, Detail World. I will hope y'all having a beautiful day. I see the Rams won the Super Bowl. You know what I mean? So shout out to all the people that's Ram fans. But like I say, I'm about to go ahead and knock this out right here. You see it's quite dirty, but I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, good afternoon, Detail World. We just finished this Range Rover SVR right here. Such a beautiful car. Like I said, if you can see the difference when it's actually clean. The thing got a sparkle on the wheels. You see the red brake calipers looking real good. But like I said, we just completely finished the whole car. Gonna go ahead and park it. The whole inside's done. All the panels, like I said, wiped down. Monitors, seats, everything nice and clean. So, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and park it. All right, Detail World, good afternoon. We out here in BELLE, MEADE, Tennessee. We're about to do this Infiniti. This is the QX80. Just finna do a basic maintenance interior and exterior on it. Shouldn't take me too much long to do it. This is a good customer of mine. I usually do 2 cars here, but the other car he don't really need done because it was done previously. But yeah, we about to go ahead and knock this out. Like I said, it's not really that bad. Like I said, you know, like always, the typical debris, your snacks, your sticks, twigs, things like that. Cup holder always got some type of crumbs or something in there. But yeah, I love these seats. You know, look nice. But yeah, we about to go ahead and get it in. So yeah, go ahead and knock this out. Like always, man, hit that subscribe button, hit them likes, hit them comments. The word of the day today is gonna be communication, man, because communication is key to all relationships, whether it's a relationship you're in, your parents, co-workers, kids, just overall communication. You gotta have that communication, man. Just try your best to either communicate your feelings when they not even positive, you know, because you don't want to hold those emotions in, and then when it's time to verbally express yourself, you blow up and that communication seems more like you have an attitude or something wrong than just bringing it to somebody at that moment in time than later. So today the word of the day is communication. Remember the word of the day for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and on Friday leave a comment if you remember all 4 words. You got this. So remember, word of the day is communication. All right. Good afternoon, Detail World. We just finished this Infiniti QX80. We just did the maintenance wash on it. So right now the car's nice and clean, wheels, your running board, everything. So we about to go ahead and park it. Like I say, I only had a few appointments today. That's why I say when the weather's extremely nice, it seems like everybody want to get me out here on the cold days, but I'm happy spring is approaching us. So hey, spring is approaching us, so no business will be picking up. But other than that, like I said, we just finished this Infinity behind me. Like I say, hopefully we got one more. If he's not home, I'll just have to reschedule him for the rest of the week. But I appreciate everybody, man. Always checking out the content forever. We're gonna keep going. Like I say, tomorrow supposed to be like 62 degrees. So I'm supposed to be in the 60s majority of the week. This weekend look good. So I'm ready for it, and I hope y'all are too. So I'll catch y'all later. Peace out. Oh yeah, hit that subscribe button.